Breathe in, stretch your arms up and high. Now breathe out, bring your arms down. Stretch and breathe out. Now we are going to work our shoulders. Move your shoulders forward and back. Roll your shoulders. Now reverse the action. Roll your shoulders. Reverse the action. Bend your knees. Just tap and step, tap and step. Roll your wrists. Take your arms up. Roll them up. Alternate your arms. Lift your knees up and down. Keep your legs moving. Now pump your arms, pump. Point those toes, lift those knees. Take a step to the side. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Keep your legs moving. Now we're going to step back with the same movement and forward. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. We're going to add some arms to this and pull your arms back, back, back. Push them up, 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 up. Keep going. To roll those shoulders. Lift your arms up slowly, palms together. Breathe out. Bring them together. That's fantastic. And relax. Now we are ready for our workout. Well done.